Hey food lovers, welcome back to kristyyumfoods, your favorite stop for delicious easy recipes from Africa and beyond. Today we are wiping up something golden, crispy and totally addictive. Yes, I'm talking about Akara Balls. These fluffy deep fried bean fritters are a West African street food classic, and I'm going to show you how to make them perfectly every time. Kindly watch till the end for the full unique recipes. Let's begin by prepping the beans. If your beans aren't already peeled, soak them for 15 minutes and rub them between your hands to remove the skins. For this easy and simple recipe, what you will need basically is beans, the black eye beans, blender, water, pepper, onions, seasoning and salt. Bean fritters, otherwise known as Akara balls, can be well paired with akamu or bread and so on. Here on this channel, we have a video on how to make white traditional pap or akamu from scratch, and also how to make homemade bread from scratch. Do check out the link in the description box below, there you can find the video. After peeling off the brown skin, it's okay if you still have little brown skin beans left. So now that is our pepper, the long pepper, rodo and onions. So we are pairing them together and getting them ready for blending. Here we reserve some chopped pepper and chopped onions, in which we are going to use later with the batter. So now toss your beans, onion, pepper and a splash of warm water into a blender. Pulse, don't blend too smooth. You want a thick fluffy batter, so add just enough water to get the blender moving because we are going for texture here. Check out the link in the description box below to get permanent access to my recipe cookbook on easy to medium meal recipes from your hair to your skin, baking and so on. It is time to go in with the chopped onion and the chopped pepper, some seasoning and salt, Now let us wipe for fluffiness. You can either use a turning stick or a hand mixer. Here is the trick. Whisk or stir the batter vigorously for 5 to 10 minutes. This adds air, making the Akara balls light and fluffy, just how we love them. So there we are making use of hand mixer. Either you use a hand mixer or a turning stick. Now heat your oil until hot but not smoking. Drop in spoonfuls of batter carefully. Don't overcrowd the pan. Give them space to puff up and turn golden. Fry until they are golden brown and crispy on the outside, about 5 to 6 minutes. Then drain them on paper towel and resist the urge to bite into one too soon because they are hot. Crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. These akara balls are perfect as breakfast snack or a side dish. Serve with pap, bread or spicy sauce, your call. Don't forget to watch our video on how to make white traditional akamu, step-by-step guide for beginners, and also how to make homemade bread, also beginner friendly. If you enjoy this akara balls recipe, give this video a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite way to enjoy akara, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more amazing recipes from KristyyumFoods. You can also follow us on our display social media handles and let us become friends and advance greatly together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.